Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make amazing raspberry brownies. And they start with a lot of chocolate. 120 grams of semi-sweet chocolate and 80 grams of butter that I'm gradually melting in the microwave until I have a very fluid ganache that looks like this. Set the chocolate aside for now and beat 2 eggs at high speed just until they're frothy. The eggs are cold because it makes it easier for me to scoop out the batter. As soon as the eggs froth up a bit, you can add 80 grams of erythritol and continue mixing on high speed until they double in volume. Then stop the mixer and add about a teaspoon of vanilla bean powder. I'm gonna link to the one I prefer in the description below. These are just dried vanilla beans that have been ground into a powder. Start the mixer again and then add 10 milliliters of grapeseed oil. This ingredient is very important to keep the brownies moist. And now you can add the lukewarm ganache. I don't know, but there's something so sexy about fluid chocolate. And while I mix this in, please do me a favor and subscribe. And a thumbs up is greatly appreciated as well. Thank you. Once the chocolate has been incorporated, the mixture will thicken. Set the bowl aside for now and let's see to our dry ingredients. 40 grams of cake and pastry flour, 40 grams of almond flour, 2 grams of baking powder and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix them together with a whisk or a fork and then add them to your chocolate mixture. Use a spatula to fold the dry ingredients into the chocolate mixture. Once the flour mixture has been incorporated, you can add 60 grams of chocolate drops. Just fold the chocolate in and then add 60 grams of raspberry puree. These are just pureed raspberries that I strained to separate the seeds. Raspberries and chocolate, that's one of those matches made in heaven that never ever ceases to surprise me. This is a 12 cavity pan that I just buttered. I'm using an ice cream scoop to get the batter into each cavity. If you would have used room temperature eggs and added the chocolate at a higher temperature, your batter would have been fluid. Not that that's a bad thing, I just find it easier and tidier to work like this. Use the back of a teaspoon to flatten each brownie in its place and then bake them at 150 Celsius for 20 minutes. And then let the raspberry brownies cool in the tin for half an hour. And I know you see only 6 brownies and I just made 12, but until I found a nice way to plate them, I had to eat 6 of them. Just to get inspired. So this is my idea on how to plate them. Do as you like, do what you like, just enjoy them. They're amazing. Until next time, dessert lovers.